full meaning. What he is asking Arjuna to acquire, literally interpreting it, acquire weapons. Weapons, two types: normal weapons and weapons that are like atomic bombs, etc. Astras and shastras. Shastra is normal weapons. Astra is supernormal. What does that really mean? Simple meaning is acquiring virtuous qualities blended with spiritual insight. The insight is your astra. Spiritual virtues are shastra. Tra is triad. Human consciousness is relative consciousness. Seer, seen and sight. Shastra means having a divine view of all the three. When you think of yourself as subject, find the source of behind it is God. So turn your mind to a positive way. If you are developing the virtuous qualities, you are developing Shastra. Your view of yourself changes when you practice virtuous qualities. Your view of the world changes, and the view of your experiences change. The threefold change occurs in a joyous way. That's Shastra movement. Astra movement negating all the three. Arjuna has to go to receive this through Indra. Indra is the basis for virtuous qualities. But if you stay only with Indra, your virtue simply qualifies you for Swarga, not for liberation. Therefore, Krishna says, also receive from Shiva. Shiva is Jnana, Tattva Jnana. So not only prepare for Swarga, but for Tattva Jnana.